Today I'm here to show you the project that I made for Teri's Crafty Christmas from Sweet Pea Papers in collaboration with Natalie from LineDotArrow. To see a flip through of the video of the kits, check out Natalie's YouTube channel on November the 30th. She's flipped through both of them around that date. There are over 30 collaborators, 50 videos, and 5 Facebook groups participating into this collaboration. And to have a chance to win one of these prizes, all you have to do is create a make using either the free challenge papers or the kit or both. Post your creation in all of the 5 Facebook groups. Add to your comment what you used in your creation, either the challenge papers or the kit or both, and put in the hashtag Teri's Crafty Christmas. Watch the drawing video on December 28th to see if you won. The collaboration runs to the 25th, so if you haven't watched the videos up until now, I suggest you go to the LinkTree that is in my description box and start from the first and work your way through to see some amazing creations and get lots of inspiration. The 5 Facebook groups that are in this challenge are Sweet Pea Papers, that's Teri's, LineDotArrow, that is Natalie's. Teri has 2 more groups, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, Junk Journal and Paper Crafts, and Two Sisters Jam is also participating. The 2 kits that Natalie made are Blue Christmas, and it's 26 pages, and The Magic of Christmas, and it is 25 pages. I've used both kits. There is a process video of me making this project. I used Blue Christmas, and at the time I hadn't finished, so from there, after the process video, I've added the word and some burlap, some wood stars, and I highlighted them with white paint and put in a gem. The other project I did on Blue Christmas are the ornaments, and I have made I'll link that process video as well. And it explains why they're 25 instead of 24. So that is my other project for that. Now, my main project with The Magic of Christmas, I altered A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. So I'm going to do a quick flip through for this. I used the tassel that I made Non-Stop Paper Crafts. I took the binding apart because I needed a bigger binding. It was a very thin book, and added a new one. I have made it into 3 signatures because to keep the pages in order, that was the best way for me to do it. So I have the complete book in here, and I just added some scrappy pages, some letterhead, wrapping paper into it in between the signatures. This is one of Natalie's pockets. I made that just into a little journal card. So I used the kit in here. I'm going to flip through it, and then I'm going to show you the last thing that I created with the freebies. This is the second signature. The book's finished, more scrappy papers, an envelope from the letterhead, and I put a few journal cards in there, and another letterhead. I have a lot of Christmas letterhead that's not being used. the book. The third signature starts with the last part of the book. This book, published in 1843, and it embodies the concept of Christmas charity, and it reminds us of the generosity and kindness. It's a simple journal that has lots of room for writing, and I made a writing board, and then with the freebies so far, I made tags, and I've got 1 to 15 done because that's what we've had so far. So that's 1, and it was the shaker card. 2, 3, 4, this one has a tag in the back, this one has a tag in the front, this is 7 and it has a little book in the front, and a tag in the back. 8, and it is a side pocket. 9 has the ghost of past on it. 10 is a flip. 11 is my angel card. 12 is just a small little card. And 13 again. 14 has a little elf on it. 15 has the ghost of present. I also took the spine from the book and cut it off, what was left of the spine that I took apart, and added it to that card. I really appreciate you watching this, giving me a thumbs up, subscribing if you haven't already. I am working on my next goal. And leave a comment what you think. Would you alter a Christmas Carol book that's so loved and so precious, or would you not? Thank you so much. Thank you, Natalie, for the great kits that we were blessed to work with, and Teri for all your organization in this collaboration, as well as the 5 Facebook groups. Thank you. Have a good day, and Merry Christmas.